be tough.
Coach, pareho mong kabalin yung makakalaban mo sa quarterfinals. Anong thoughts mo doon? And I think na-eject ka yata nung last game.
Yes, actually, ano yun, malapit ako dun sa mga yun, sobrang malapit ako kila Delta at kina Dennis Uy. Pero ibang usapan to eh. Ibang usapan to eh. So, parang pamilya sila. Parang pamilya. Pero pagdating sa ganito, syempre mauuna muna yung interest ng Rainbow Shine. Laban-laban talaga to.
Thank you.
And that concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations, Coach and Anton. Good evening, everyone.
Thank you.